Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are creating a soft glam look. I'm starting with the Omaricode Radiant Primer. The texture is fantastic. It feels more like a rich moisturizer that will be the perfect base for our soft glam look. For the brows, I like to apply a light dusting of setting powder over my brows. This creates a clean matte base that helps my brow pencil glide on smoothly and grip better for precise lines. I am using David's brow pencil in number 003. This brow pencil is super affordable and gets the job done. To finish the brows, I use a spoolie to brush and blend everything through. Next, I use a cream concealer that is about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I apply this precisely around my brow shape to clean up the edges and create a sharp defined arcs. For the inner corner of my brows, I use same shade of my foundation to define my brows. After I am done, then I use a beauty blender to blend it all in. For the top of my brows, I use same shade of my foundation to clean the edges. To create a smooth, even base for my eyeshadow, I like to use the same concealer. A little blended over the lid creates the perfect sticky, neutral canvas for our soft glam shade. For my crease, I'm using 2 shades from my Zaron nude palette in F, which is Coral and Dune. They work together perfectly. To deepen the outer corner of my lid, I'm staying within the same palette and picking up the shade Mocha. I'll apply and blend this into the outer V to add dimension and create a smoky effect. To finish the lid, I'm pressing the beautiful coral shade all over the center. It gives such a lovely soft wash of warm color that ties the whole eye look together. Afterwards, I blend all eyeshadows together to give it a perfect look. Then I go in with my eyeliner to line my eyes, followed by my pencil liner for my waterline. Usually, I use my Zaron pencil liner, but I didn't realize it was almost finished. So I used an alternative, though not as dark as the Zaron pencil liner, but it was still okay. Now for foundation, I'm using Nuban Beauty Foundation in the shades G Nnaji and M Abudu. I mix them and blend out with a damp beauty blender for a flawless skin-like finish. Now for sculpting, I layer a light concealer to highlight, and then not forgetting my forehead, my nose and my chin. Then I went in with my cream contour for shadow, blended them together with a sponge for a soft dimensional finish. For a brighter under eye, I use a lighter concealer and then set it with powder to ensure it stays flawless and crease-free. After I'm done setting, I use a brush to brush out the excesses. Now for blush, I'm going straight in with my CPD blush onto my unpowdered base. Next, I added a subtle definition to my nose. I used a matte contour shade from my palette, applying it along the side of the bridges and blending it out for a natural shadow effect. I'm adding a final pop of blush both on my cheeks and on my nose. For flawless falsies, always apply mascara first. It darkens and defines your natural lash line, making the transition to false lashes invincible and helping them stay in place. After applying my lashes, I use a liner to blend and perfect the lash line for a seamless finish. To finish, I set everything with a powder, then I add a bronzer with a subtle shimmer to my cheeks and nose for the final touch of warmth and dimension. For my lip, I'm creating a custom lip by layering a brown liner, a peach base, and finishing with a nude lipstick from Fashion Nova for a perfect personalized shade. To finish, I'm applying a nude lip gloss for extra shine and a perfect pout. Finally, I set everything with a hydrating setting spray to blend all the products and give a fresh dewy finish. There we have it, a complete soft glam look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.